Woo! Yeah. Yeah. What's going on, everyone? I'm Cheddar Chisel, and welcome to the channel. And today we've got XG's new album, Awe. We're gonna do all the new songs. We're gonna do the skits, and we're going to be checking out Howling Music Bank, KBS World Live. Hopefully this can make it on YouTube and there's no copyright issues. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this. I am beyond excited to see what this is all about. Okay, the hype is real. Let's drop a like. All right, let's get it. Ow! Howling official music video. Hold up. Wait a second. Okay. Wait, what? What is this?
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Rock is hot cause X stick that dome. Top is down, there's no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe.
What?
Go out of my pack, just grow. Opposition, my prey, my foes. Game of hunger, I'll bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke.
Whoa, 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 whoa. We got like Hunger Game bars and stuff. I wasn't ready for this. This is like Woke Up Part 2. Hold up. Hold up. There's all sorts of stuff going on here. We're running it all the way from the beginning. Like, I'm not ready for this. What is this sound? Okay, so they're coming down from the sky.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Rock is hot cause X stick that dome. Top is down, there's no
Block is hot because X took that throne. Man, I love how Coco comes in. We need to turn this volume up, though, even higher.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Rock is hot cause X stick that dome. Top is down, there's no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go
Dots connecting like tic-tac-toe.
out of my pack, just grow. Opposition, my prey, my foes. Game of hunger, I'll bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke.
Y'all want no smoke?
Attack on three, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I humble my dinner.
Dang, yo. Oh my gosh, Harvey came in with the fury. This is crazy.
Hangs out. Attack on three, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head count.
I'll be losing.
I like to cook, so I humble my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
Hey, dang. Bars on top of bars. Yo, this is straight fire. I love this. They're coming in with the rap. I needed this from this album. I needed the rap. Thriller bars, you know, the wolf. I love the whole wolf theme. Like, she's like hunting for her prey.
I like to cook, so I humble my dinner.
Yeah,
My
hunt.
appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
Yeah, what is all the visuals?
Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
Way out when it fades out, can hide in the dark. 'Cause when the moonlight and the full rise is going down, nothing can stop her and dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, 'cause that's how we howl. That's how we howl.
Ow! This is amazing.
That's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin'.
I love the way they look.
Wildin', where are you now?
Yo, that's so cool. Like over here, yeah, they got all they're like a bunch of archers. Like the way they're moving too is really strange but fulfilling.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a wolf. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it, we get it, run it back. You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we back to feast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling.
Hold up, man. Hold on. Yo, this is Jern came in and moonwalk on the rooftop. Like, what? Yo,
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a wolf. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up.
hold up. You weren't joking, man. I'm gonna have to watch this like 10 times. Like a wolf eye move. Like not geographic.
Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up.
The
Bring
zoom
in
shot,
the whole
yeah.
squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down, and you know how we adapt.
I love that right here. So Jurin comes in with these plays for you not to reenact, and then Harvey picks up the rhyme.
These places not for you to reenact.
Reenact.
First down, and you know how we adapt.
You know how we adapt, reenact, we adapt.
Touchdown, and you know how
We impact.
Cut the throw, got
Woo.
to go. Rewind the video, do it, really get it, run it back. You unleash the beast, call it Wolfgang, cause we back to feast.
Hey.
Understand a new type of breed, never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling, sound of a couple thousand albums, now the fear surrounded. I'm moving
Yeah.
like a group of wild, there's no choice but the truth to violence.
Brute like a what? Oh my gosh, this is insane. XG has found the formula. They have the formula. This is what's missing in the music world is this. This is what is needed in the music world. They did it with Woke Up, and they're doing it with Howling. Yes, this is what is missing.
Listen to hear the howling, sound of a couple thousand albums, now the fear
Sound of a couple thousand alphas, now the fear surrounding. Whoo, yeah, yeah. So basically they're saying now that the alphas are rising, people are getting afraid because XG and the alphas are rising, that they see the talent. People know that XG is there, and XG has the capabilities of becoming the greatest. People are scared of that.
surrounded. I'm moving silence, group like a group of wild, there's no choice but
Brute like a group of wildlings? Oh my gosh, what the
like a group of wild.
the rhymes?
Break out, no escape route, there's nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. Nothing can stop or
Dangerous.
If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound. 'Cause that's how we howl.
Ow.
That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now?
Oh, that was such a cool shot. You weren't playing. This music video is insane. Like when she was running, clawing at the same time.
That's how we howlin',
Yeah.
wildin'. Where are you now? Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'.
Hey.
That's how we howlin'.
This is a straight
Where are you now?
banger. All the alphas around him. Yeah. Wait a minute. What does that represent? What is this thing that they're shooting? Like, I love this shot, like this whole scene here, right here. Like, I love how what they're doing. Yeah. So it in their choreography, it's not just them, it's them and the alphas. Yeah. They put the alphas in there. Yeah, all the alphas around them. That's so sick. Ah. Yeah, what is this? Who is that? I don't understand. So they took over that planet? Is that what just happened? Oh. Is that what that means? Is they went to that planet and took over? Hey, hit him with the kill shot. Woo, Howling. That was amazing. That was amazing. That was stunning. The music video was unique in the best way. It blew me away. The lyrics, the rapping was incredible. It threw me off guard. Even here, I've heard pretty much all of XG's music, and they have so much rap. Even in this, it's still like it shocked me. Like I was not ready for that. I'm gonna have to listen to this a few times to really catch all the lyrics because they were rapping really fast. And I love the message of the song. XG, they've came to the planet and they're howling, and the alphas have risen up. Now it's they're taking over the planet with the alphas. Oh, that's so good. It's so clever too. It's so smart. I love how they put the vocals where they put the vocals and the how like it all just went together so good. Yeah, Gerald, you weren't kidding. I'm gonna have to watch this probably a lot. Let's move on. We've listened to these songs. We're gonna move into In the Rain. Ooh. I immediately love the vibes here.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear. 'Cause we
What?
had it.
I love these lyrics so far. They're connecting with me. Rain on the shoulder, cloud in the head. I feel like that all the time.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels.
Head over heels.
Nothing to
Bars.
fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather. There was no other like this. And then you started hiding it, starting
Man.
it. Baby, it's so evident.
Oh, boy. This is that song right here. Yo, I love the way Chiza was doing that. Da, da, hoo, da, 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 hoo. Like the way she's going in and out of her pitch.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had
Right
each
here.
other, fall
Yeah.
through the weather. There was no other like this. And then you started hiding it, sliding in. Baby, it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? But my dude's still running in. Goodbye, goodbye. See, you never been like that, like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody.
Yo, who was that singing right there?
Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity.
Who is this? Is this Jurin?
You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody
Out in the
to hold.
cold.
Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain.
The beat's really nice.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop. Each drop. Yeah. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye, goodbye. Ain't no one will look back, look back. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all in a frame without
Is that-
baby.
Is that Harvey singing right there? Sounds like it.
Pity. Save it all in a frame without me, baby.
Woo, boy, this song is a banger. I bet you this music video is gonna be off the charts. Hold on, we need to run it back.
Think goodbye, goodbye. Ain't no one will look back, look back. It was only a game, but a pity. Save it all
Yeah.
in a frame without me, baby. Heart down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain.
Yeah, all the scar. I love what they're saying here. The lyrics are incredible. They're writing the beat so good. XG's really found the formula to. They're hitting these pockets on the beat, and it just flows so good. The sound is so good. It's so familiar. Yeah, all the pain, all the struggles, all the experiences that we went through, all down the drain in the rain. Yeah. You left me all by myself. Yo, this is such a good song. Just, it's perfect on the beat. That's going to be really good to see perform live. Okay. We're going to move on to... I'm going to be listening to this in my car for sure. Let's... Is This Love? Okay. You know what's really cool about this album is we get a small peek into XG's future of where they're going. It's really cool to see because we can almost always expect from this moving forward with XG and their albums, like with Howling, you're probably going to get a song like that every time where they come in and they just bomb on you with just insane rapping and just a straight blazer, right? Like that's like Woke Up. They did that with Howling. They're probably gonna have another song like that probably before the end of next year. And now they're stepping into the R&B realm. Like they're getting a little bit more intimate. It's crazy too because with time their lyrics are going to mature. You can already tell that their lyrics are maturing, going from Tippy Toes, Shooting Star, Left Right, Winter Without You, and now we're moving into Rain, Howling. These are, man, this is crazy. Okay, hold on. When are you gonna... I will be continuing. Yes, soon.
Yeah, you're my sunshine, you're the only one I wanna give all my time. There's just something about it. Soon as we met, I couldn't even help it. Yeah, I got a feeling and I can't ignore
Maya.
I ain't playing no games. I mean what I say. Got you on my mind. If you feel the same, won't you swing my way? Baby, don't make me wait. I don't know if it's meant to be, but it feels like everything. Is this love? Is this love?
This basically sounds like a relationship song. Is what we're going through love?
Is this love? Is this love taking over me? Feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? I don't know why they say love is so blind, something so hard to find, but I think we found it. I think we got it, no doubt about it. If it ain't, then what's love? Someone tell me what's up.
What's up?
When you feel blue, you've been looking for the truth, so I'm telling you. But all this time in the back of my mind is back to remind me. So let me know what I never knew. Now you got me like, ooh, I don't care. I want you to take me there. Baby, let's get away. Will I know what it means one day?
Yo. We need to back it up. That transition from Jurin into Maya was professional status. Oh man, this is good. I love what they're doing. They're starting to utilize their members in their transitions. I'm starting to notice this with XG is their transitions. They did it earlier in Howling with Jurin and Harvey, Jurin into Harvey, and now they went into Jurin into Maya.
Something so hard to find, but I think we found it. I think we got it, no doubt about it. If it ain't, then what's love?
Yeah.
Someone tell me what's up. What's
Wait.
love gonna do?
Wait, was that Hina on that transition right there? That little part?
It ain't, then what's love? Someone tell me what's up. What's love gonna do when you feel blue?
Yeah,
You've been looking
Jurin.
for the truth, so I'm telling you. But all this time in the back of my mind is back to remind me. So let me know what I never knew. Now
Yeah.
you got me like, ooh, I don't care.
Yeah.
I want you to take me.
Yeah. So you got me like, ooh, Maya finishes it. I love the transition. Yo, XG, man. I see what you're doing here. That transition game, it's changing. Hold on, I gotta hear it one more time.
What's love gonna do when you feeling blue? You've been looking for the truth, so I'm telling you. But all this time in the back of my mind is back to remind me. So let me learn what I never knew. Now you got me like, ooh, I don't care. I want you to take me there. Baby, let's get away. Will I know what it means one day? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this
Fire.
love? Taking over me, feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? Some things I just can't seem to figure out. This feeling of love jumping up and down. Still don't get it, just being honest. I'm stuck here with the same question, baby. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Taking over me, feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love?
Man, this beat is fire. Oh, I love how they're giving us the instrumental on the end. Thank you, XG. Let's move on to Howling, KBS World. Yes. So apparently they're already performing this live. Like, these ladies are busy. Harvey. Coco. Come back. Okay, so we get to see the choreography. Oh, they got some really cool. Yeah, this is like the upgraded wolf outfit on a different planet, right? Yo, the alpha suits. This is a really cool choreography.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is out cause it's that boom. Talk is diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out in my pot, just grow. Opposition, my in my foes. Game of hunger, bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Things out, attack on three.
Things out, yeah.
These bars like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook so I'm humble. My dinner, my appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I don't want then it must be a thriller. Woke up and blessed, so I must be a killer.
Yo.
Face out can hide in the dark. When the moonlight and the moon rays is glowing down. Nothing can stop her, we're dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound. The sound. Cause that's how we howl. That's how we howling, growling, wilding.
Oh man. Yo. I love the way they're howling.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like magic, grab with a zoom shot. Hoorah, hold up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First time and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal, rewind the video, do it, we can get it running back. You want
Dang.
this beast? Call it wolf king, cause we about to beast. Call it first stand, a new type of breed, never sees. I got masterpiece. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand ounces, it's not a fetus around it. I move as Alice, move like a group of wallets. No truth, but the truth.
Yo, Maya's over there doing facial expressions.
Call it first stand, a new type of breed, never sees. I got
Ooh.
masterpiece. Listen to hear the
Yeah.
howling. Sound of a
She
couple
knows.
thousand ounces,
Yeah.
it's not a fetus around it. I move as Alice, move like a group of wallets. No truth, but the truth about it. Break out, let's get round. There's nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. Nothing can stop or dangerous. If you dangerous, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound. The sound. Bitch, that's how we howl. That's how we howling, growling, wilding. That's how we howling, growling, wilding. Where are you now? Welcome to the world where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. When we're howling in the dark. That's how we howling, wilding, wilding.
Yeah. Yeah. I love the way she's, yo, the way they're moving when they're howling is so different. It's the musicality is actually incredible. But wait, Maya's moving, yeah. Fire. Yo, Harvey loves the camera. That was really good. That was incredible. I love Howling. That song is amazing. You know, it's gonna be crazy too, because as I'm watching this, like, they're probably gonna do it on their live performances too, where they add a dance break. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if they do like Woke Up into Howling and a dance break in between that's different. They're gonna add some stuff to their live performances with this. It's gonna be insane. Oh man, I can't wait. This was really good. Super good. Guys, thank you for blowing me up, letting me know about this. XG, they're on the right track. It's crazy too, because when I first started watching XG, they blow me away. They shock me. They throw me out of my normal life. They hit me with something that I've never seen before. I've never heard before. It just feels like something that I needed, that I didn't know I needed, and I didn't know it existed, because I guess it hasn't been created yet. But this is what XG is creating, is something. This is like something completely new to the world in the best way. It sounds so good. It looks good. Their choreography is really technical. There's a lot going on. They probably have not had enough time to perfect this choreography, but to pull it off while singing it in such a short amount of time while being on the road, it's really impressive. I want to thank everyone that came by for the stream. I want all my alphas to continue to stand up. Howl with XG. Continue to support these ladies. If you have not gone to their channel and subscribed, make sure you do that. Did I like Howling? Oh my gosh. Slacking. Keep fighting. I'm out of here. Peace.